What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another monetary recap video. Today we'll get right back into it, what we do best, recapping the crazy price movements of HEX and other cryptocurrencies. HEX has some really volatile moves currently in this crazy bear market that crypto has been in. It's moved almost 35%, and I think that's something to do with that Pulse Chain is getting really close to launching. Pulse Chain 2.5 is being launched next week, and instead of it being Pulse Chain 3, because it's not almost about to be launched like the last step, there's a couple more steps. It's getting very close to it, so it's 2.5. I think that has to do with it. I also think that the total value locked did a massive recovery from a dip down to 15 million from a high of almost 30, so that was a half in the total value locked, which then bounced back up almost to 20, so that's a pretty sizable amount. The trading volume in the last 7 days has been insane. I mean, it's over 75 million, which is, I mean, compared to what happens when you have Tether and all these other shady forms of transactions, this is really transparent, healthy transactions that it's just, I mean, it's fiat. It's pure fiat. It's not paper money that's being backed into HEX. It's real money coming into it. You can check the on-chain analysis, and I mean, it's not, you aren't being lied to. You can do your own due diligence. And I think also what everyone else is overlooking is Hedron came out, which if you have a matured stake with HEX, you can claim your Hedron tokens, which are free. If you have a stake already, they're free. You can mint them, or you can claim the 10x bonus. Right now, Hedron is up almost 1200%. That's a 12x. If you would have put 10,000, if you would have just put $1,000 into this would have been $120,000 in 7 days. Okay, $127,000. Can you imagine that amount of money that quickly? That is a life-changing some amount of money for some people in that amount of time. That is life changing for almost everybody, unless you're already a millionaire, unless you're a crypto billionaire, okay? But that is life changing for many people, okay? And as Hedron moves crazy prices, people are going to be like, well, if Hedron's up so much, we know that it's associated with HEX, and HEX isn't moving the same. HEX is only up 30% compared to 1200%. The logical money flow is going to flow into HEX. HEX has been on its bear market. It corrected 80%. Every time there's an 80% dip, it rips. It melts faces. After capitulation, which we've had, we see the volume flow back in. We see the bounce off the support lines. Support lines get made. They get encrusted. Sellers are just stomped out. There's no sellers left. There's no more liquid HEX left to be sold. People are staking. People are buying. People are waiting for their Pulse Chain copy. I mean, it's greener pastures for everybody who's buying. You know, the bulls are winning. The bears are losing. You can look at every single indicator. RSI, stock RSI, MACD. It's all telling you that the bulls are winning. Bears are going to lose the fight. This has been Monetary Recap. This is not financial advice. Like, comment, subscribe. If you hate it, you hate it. If you like it, you like it. Have a great night and enjoy yourselves, everybody. Have a good one.